Hey there guys, Abners Reviews here, and today we are checking out the Tapo C246D dual lens security camera. Oh yeah. So here's what we got from our box. We have some guide stickers for mounting the base of the security camera. We have a QR code card which you can scan if you wanted a step-by-step guide on how to set up the security camera. This is a quick start guide. This is the mounting bracket. So it goes like this and will be mounted here if you are mounting it on a wall. And you will be using these ones on top if you are mounting it on the ceiling. This part moves like that, so you can manually adjust the position of the camera. There's a lock in there too, so we'll see how that works later. This is plastic, hard plastic, so we'll see how we use this later when we are mounting our security camera. We have mounting screws for our bracket. We have a type A to type C for our power cord. An adapter for our wall socket to be used on our power cord. And of course, this is our Tapo C246D dual lens security camera. There we go. That is our camera. So I guess it goes this way. So that's a Tapo branding on the camera at the bottom. Rubber stoppers. And this should connect with the mounting bracket. Our power port is over here. And this is, I'm guessing, our speaker for the sounds, beeps, and the two-way communication, which should come with our Tapo C246D. Now this is where we put in our SD card, which by the way, on this package comes with a 256 gigabyte Lexar SD card. SD card will go here, and I believe that is the reset button inside there. So there's a rubber stopper here, or a rubber cover rather, so that it can maintain the IP rating of this camera and also to protect the SD card and the slot as well. So those are our dual lenses. We will know more about the functions and features of our camera later when we actually set it up. But for now, those are the details of our Tapo C246D dual lens security camera. So by the way, if you are not mounting our security camera, this is why we have these rubber feet under there, so it can stay in place if you are just using this for on top of a desk, stationary like that. It will help to stabilize the camera on a flat surface. We are going to install our SD card. All we need to do is pop off the rubber cover like so, and that's the slot for our SD card. And now we close our rubber cover. And now we have installed our SD card properly. Now we connect it to our power supply through our USB-C cord. So here on the back, just below the speaker. So that's our Type-C slot. And there we go. All we need to do is plug the other end of the cable to our wall socket. The Type-C cord, if you can see that clearly, has an oval shaped rubber on the end of it before the actual plug. So that helps with the IP65 rating of our security camera from Tapo. So as you can see, it is snugly gonna be blocking the entire slot once it is plugged in properly. It is water and dust proof. Let's try and install our security camera from Tapo using our Tapo app.